Is your File Explorer not working properly? Let's fix it with these simple steps. Fix 1. Clear Quick Access in File Explorer Search File Explorer options and click to open. Go to the Quick Access tab. Select this PC. Click Clear. Then click Apply and OK. Fix 2. Restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. If that doesn't work, right-click Windows Explorer again and click End Task. Now click on File, then Run New Task. Type explorer.exe. Check the box for Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. Fix 3. Modify Windows Explorer view. Open Windows Explorer. Click on this PC, then go to the View tab. Click Preview pane and uncheck it. Also, make sure both Preview and Details panel are unselected under the View options. These simple steps should get your File Explorer back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.